5th, Saturday, 5 o'clock in the morning. And here we are waiting for the concrete to be poured. VKM Concrete Services was gracious enough to provide us with the concrete and with the lighting. That's very crucial right now because it's basically dark and you can't really see anything without it. So we're fortunate enough to have them provide this for us, this service. The men right now are just waiting for the pump that I contracted to get the concrete to the remote areas of the foundation. I do have trenches all around the perimeter that are 2 feet deep. And there's a cross pattern in the building where the building's going to be of trenches that are 18 inches deep, I believe. And the very center of it also has a trench that's 2 feet deep that joins also the east and the west side. There you can see the plumbing for the restroom. You have the shower, the toilet, and the sink. And the grid system, I believe, is 18 inches apart, the rebar. And we use 5/8 rebar for the trenches and 3/8 for everything else. Here the men are waiting for the pump to get the concrete out to the remote areas. So far, everything's going as planned, and we'll catch you later. Thank you for watching.